Welcome back to the Flashpoint archives. Today we are playing Kill the Plumber 1 and Kill the Plumber 2. In these games you play as legally distinct Goombas and your job is to defeat legally distinct Mario. So it's like reverse Super Mario, which should be fun. Let's start with the first game and kill ourselves a few plumbers. Let's go! Aha! Kill the plumber! Look at this motherfucker. Play! Oh my god, a fox! Dojo. So this game is like reverse Mario? Like you play as the Goomba and you kill the Mario. Instead of the other way around.
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío. I played the first level because I had to like try it again. So we'll just play again. Mario! Sire! Our mini gets in the kingdom! What? Send the troops! Send all of them! Okay. Go, little goon! Get near and kill him! Move sideways with A and D or the arrow keys. I'm gonna use A and D. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! What? How dare you jump over me? Motherfucker! Yeah, alright. So that's basically the game. You play as Goomba, and you just try to kill the plumber, who is Mario. Come here, Mario. No, Mario! Mario! Oh, no. Eh? Gotcha, Mario. This time I got you, bud. Nice. Oh no, I'm supposed to survive. Oh, okay. That's easy, just like walk towards him. Oh, when time runs out, he dies. You got it! Fucking annihilate Mario. Oh, that works. He jumped every time we got close. I just had to trick him into jumping off the level. Alright. I got two of them. Yeah, get fucked. We got like spiked mohawks this time. You can't jump on us. We're the strongest with the best. Fuck you, Mario. Yeah, I'd like make him jump into the wall. No, I'm fucked up. No, my 3 stars. Aw. There we go. But my 3 stars, man. It's fine. I don't really care that much. Gotcha. Nice. No, Mario. What if I like stand over here? You can't get to the fucking flag if I'm watching it. What an idiot. Spacebar up to jump. Ooh. I'm coming, Mario. Oh no. Gotcha. Stupid, stupid. Dumbass. Whoa. 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 Yes. Jump less. Hell yeah, achievements. Next level. I'm gonna make it up there. Huh. And the 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 woo. Oh, come on. Gotta make it to Mario. I gotta murder Mario. That's what my boss Bowser wants. No! I can't get attacked from below. That's how Mario kills me. I gotta get him from the side, man. Here we are. Get Mario murdered. You want to make it over there? Okay, we gotta be faster. Ooh, no. It'll be even faster, man. Mario can't get there in time. I'm so fast. Huh? There we are. World 1 done. Main menu. Look at this. Let's restart this one. Fuck. I gotta trick him into jumping too early. No. Is there a restart button? Replay. There we are. That's my 3 stars. Here we go. 3 stars in all the levels in World 1. World 2. Wish? Nice. Get murdered. I wasn't a Goomba this time. I was a giant block man. That's cool. I was waiting. I was waiting for you, Mario. You're not technically Mario, but who cares? Ah, I see. Ah. Gotcha. You gotta be a little fast there. Oh. Okay. Gotcha, boy. Okay, I like these levels, like the glidey ones. They're cool. Very cool. Press down or S to throw axes. I see. I'm supposed to hit him with that? He doesn't really move for a while, so if I can figure out the exact range, I should be able to hit him. There we are. Yes! Nailed him on the first one! Hell yeah! Fucking murder Mario! Oh no, he has fireballs. I can jump at least. No, Mario! You douche! No. I gotta figure out the exact range again. Huh? Boink. Yes! That is how you kill Mario. Triple stars! Oh. That was my fault. Ah, shit. No! I keep touching the fireballs, man. I don't want to touch them fireballs. I gotta throw my tomahawk axes at him. God damn it. This one's not like the toughest one so far, though. Yes! Just randomly throwing. I got him. Perfect. Bam. Boom. Get close, my boom. Don't stand a chance, Mario, and I boom ya. Yeah, no. If you're gonna shoot me with the fireball, can't miss. You better not miss. Oh, just walking didn't work out. No! Little guy, little firebomb. No! I'm trying to time this shit. No! The hitbox is, I don't know. My guy is very, very slow. My guy is so slow, man. I wish he was faster. I can't jump anymore. I can't jump with this guy. What about the bomb guy? No! My little bomb dude! No, my little bomb dude! I want to blow up in your face! Let me blow my load. Gotcha. Must kill. There we go. Aw, shit. Oh, I think I knew what I have to do. Yeah, I have to do that. I have to, like, use the red one to make him jump so I can blow him up. Hell yeah. I'm a ghost! Gotcha! So when he looks at the ghost, he becomes scared, just like in the Mario games. Okay. Wonder if I can do that, I don't know. No, I can't do that. Okay. Now I'm in the way. Here we go. That's how you did it. Watch out, he's invincible. Let him collect our poser coins to disable his powers. No, I didn't make it. Oh. It's going up again. Gotcha. Okay, I didn't expect him to go back up. But that saved my ass. So I'm not complaining. I'm a big boy. Ah, I'm a big boy. I'm a very big boy. Blah! Leave me alone, you beast. I'm just gonna hide up here. I'm gonna get him. Here we go. No more invisibility for you. That's kind of weird how the coins make him not be invisible. Okay. There we go. I timed it right this time. And yes. Keep going. Okay, I think I see what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to like make him jump so that he like jumps over that and then like lands in the lava or something. So I messed it up again. I know that's bad. A little later. There we are. That's how you did it. I did it! Yeah, I do have to make him jump on it. That's not enough time, though. That's not enough time either. I have to keep doing it, probably. like time it perfectly. I'm not super good at timing. Or maybe I can even hit him. Yeah, that works. That works too. I'll take that one. No, he just kills that. Gotcha, bitch. Alright. Press down or S to shoot fireballs. Fireball! 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 I'm a big golden boy! Ah, shit. I don't one hit, man. I'm such a big target. I'm coming. Huh? No, I think I have to have like land in between them. No, he wouldn't jump again. God damn it. Ah, that's so close. Gotcha. Gotcha this time, loser. Oh no. Bang, bang. Huh? No! I went so close, man. Now. Fuck you. Gotcha, big boy. And that's how the cookie crumbles. Hmm? Make a pit. Oh man. He actually died, but but I messed it up anyway. No! My big beautiful boy! There we go. Castle crushed. Peach? Princess Peach! Don't cry, princess. We have taken care of your stalker plumber. You don't have to transfer to another castle anymore. We won. Hooray! Oh, that stalker is dead for good this time. I got every single one of his extra lives. This game was pretty cute, I like it. Sponsored by Dojo.com. Code and designed by Kiboru Shirobu Satore. Shirobu Satore. Yeah, Shirobu Satore. Art and design by Isiya Aminobu. Sound effects by Saku Satori. Music by Yimu Kurakusuki. And special thanks to Bryce and a bunch of other people, I don't really know. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's go. We got more plumbers to murder. Dojo Cat. Kill the Plumber 2. Walkthrough? Who needs that stuff?
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío. World 4? Oh, it just keeps going from the first game. That's cool. Let's go. He's heading for the princess! Destroy him! Save the princess! Fuck you! Quick kill. Nice. We got the princess. Stop him, I guess it says. Move sideways. Yeah, I know. I know how to play. Oh no. I got Twickle. There we go. I got Trickle. That works. That works perfectly fine. I ain't complaining. Oh. He walks off screen and dies. Sure, I'll take it. I can jump now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fuck you. Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for that. I know you were gonna jump. I can feel it in my bones. My Goomba bones. Yeah, you die now. That one was easy. Come on, step it up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotcha. So that's what we had, 2 of them. That's why we had 2 of them. Ow. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Gotcha this time. Yay. Screw you, Mario. Or whoever you're supposed to be. I got you with the sock boomerang. Nice. I just pressed down because I thought like, oh, it's a new one. He probably has a weapon. I didn't know it was a sock boomerang. But now I do. How do I sock boomerang in a good way? Wait, what? How does one sock boomerang? When one is stuck in here. Oh, they go further when you go back. You shoot backwards. I see. They go further back if you shoot backwards. I'm fucking it up though. I'm not very good at it. There we go. One up yours. Haha, one up yours. Or you can just touch them, that works too. Look, it's my sock. I am staring intensely at my sock. I love my sock. Yeah, that works too. World 4 already done? Dude, I'm zooming through these. Look at this. Okay. He's invisible. There's nothing I can do. I don't know what to do. I think we might be a little stuck. Maybe a little stuck. Yeah, it doesn't jump high enough to get that one. Okay. Am I supposed to wait for him? Oh, come on. Yeah, that doesn't really help. What am I supposed to do here? I'm actually very stumped. What am I supposed to do here? I'm just a little Goomba with a helmet on. It's gotta have something to do with like him moving forward. Okay. So he had to jump directly on me and then it worked. Okay, sure. Why not? Whatever. We'll keep going. Oh, come on. He died as well. But that works too. But he also died. I sacrificed my Goomba life to kill the Mario. That should be enough for Bowser. Oh, I see. I need to be faster. There we are. I gotcha. Gotcha, boy. Got that boy. No. I need him to like land directly on me, I think. No, that's not good. Oh, come on. Oh no. Let's do it again. Ah, come on. Stop jumping, dude. Oh no. Mario, you silly me. You're so silly, Mario. Mario's no shit. Come on. Cool. I definitely have to have him like jump on me like that, but what is the angle I need here? Oh, that worked apparently. Sure, whatever. Oh, I'm this guy. There we go. That works. Take my dudes. Okay, so none of them can die. One's enough! I guess it is. Okay, I probably have to drop them all the way to the right. Hey, Mario. Yeah, no. Try again, Mario. I see. Okay, I'm fucking up a lot, but I need to put one there. One there. There we go. That's what I needed. Piranha plant! Pop out and in for the pipe. Yes. Sure. That works a charm. Just make him jump in the water all by himself. A little late there. Gotta be a little earlier. Here comes Mario! Oh, I can angle it a bit. Ah, shit. Shit! That wasn't very good. What's he doing up there? Great. I missed the angle, but I know I can spin him now. So we can use that to our advantage. There we go. Success! Okay. Guess I gotta pull that one in if he gets stuck in there. Alright. This one seems a little tricky. I think I might know what to do. No? Replay level. This seems right. Let's really jump again, though. Not really. Wrong timing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I actually don't really know. No, come on. Why would you do that, Mario? Mario, you're a butthole. Why is he killing it? He shouldn't be. Okay, now I'm very confused. Okay. There we go. I figured it out. Only 2 stars, but you know what? Fuck it, I don't care. Got you, Mario, with the fish. Little Goomba fish. No, Goomba fish. I think I know what to do, though. Come on, Goomba fish. How do Goomba fish get you? I think I know how Goomba fish gets you. Bye. That's how Goomba fish gets you. Oh no, Goomba fish. No! I need to time it for the sake of the Goomba fish. No! How dare you do this to Goomba fish? Goomba fish is the best. Finally, I got you. I don't care about the stars. Oh no. Ow. No, don't get Goomba fish. Poor little Goomba fish, man. Poor Goomba fish. Stop attacking Goomba fish. One more for Goomba fish. One more for Goomba fish. Come on, just go into Goomba fish without landing on Goomba fish. How does Goomba fish get one little plumber? God damn it! Alright, they're throwing like harder ones now. No, Goomba fish! Stop getting Goomba fish! Stop getting Goomba fish! He's not one to be got. Goomba fish, jump! Now, for Goomba fish to get you. Goomba fish got you somehow! Sure, Goomba fish! Oh, I missed him. He's just on the water. There we go. Just touch him. Oh, go high. Yes. That's how we do it with blooper Goomba fish. I must collect my babies. I have all my babies. Almost all my babies. My babies! Oh, I think my babies can hurt them, right? Oh no, they didn't float down in time. My babies! Okay, babies. Prepare the baby rope to kill him. Good babies. Perfect babies. Ah, really? The perfect shot. I'm just gonna hide over here. Can you get me when I'm over here, can you? Oh, but he won't swim away from me either. I says I gotta be active around him so he'll swim away. Okay. No! My cute little fishiness. They're always like really slow in this game. Oh no. He has a fireball in the water. That's how it didn't work. Ow. Gotcha. Bam. Oh, I'm a big fish. You can swim, you can also dash forward. Oh. No. I must go up. I must up. Gotcha. Gotcha, baby. Gotcha, baby boy. Okay. All right, that works. That works great. I have to survive his onslaught of fireballs. Oh, I gotta slam the sides again. I did way too much. I gotta reset. No. Get the coin, bleh. You need to get the coins, man. You have to get those. Ow! Coins! Get the coins, Mario! You want the coins! No! Silly Mario, he hits me with the fireball. I'm such a big and sexy target. He touched me. He touched me inappropriately. I'm just a fish, man. You can't touch me. Mario, you missed a coin. No! Mario, you coin missing bitch! Don't miss them coins, man! You need them coins to die! Without them, you will never I hate the fireballs. Why does he need to have fireballs? No. I didn't slam that much. I slammed too many times. You gotta get them coins, man. Come on, get that coin. Thank you. Finally, I got you, Mario. I bounced. Okay. No. No! Stupid Mario! Hey, no bouncing! Why are they bouncing so high? They bounce so high and that's such a big target. Look at that, like the perfect arc every time. Can't get me now, bitch. Yes! Water Warlord. Ah, Princess! I have defeated him. Don't cry, Princess. We have trapped your stalker Plumber forever in the minus world. You are now safe here on this island. We won! Yay! Hooray! Fuck you, Mario. We killed you. Oh. That was kind of fun, though. Usually sequels are like an improvement on the original. In this game, it really just felt like a continuation of the first one, though it did have its own tutorial and like really easy levels early on, but it did feel like a continuation, specifically with the like starting on World 4 thing. Yeah, cool. And the plumber is officially dead. Good job, legally distinct Goombas and friends. These two games were so similar that I would actually say that they are just two parts of the same game. So I'm going to be reviewing them together instead of separately, I guess. I would say that Kill the Plumber is pretty fun. Interesting concept, pretty good execution. The Goombas are really cute and I love them very much, and they deserve every single princess kiss in the universe. Much more than Mario does anyway. From what I understand, there is actually a remake of these two games that can be found on Steam under the same name. So, you know, Kill the Plumber. It's longer and more polished, especially compared to these old Flash versions. That's pretty cool though. I'll probably won't be playing Kill the Plumber on Steam, but hey, it exists. If you guys would like to check it out, it's on there. So yeah, thank you all for watching today's episode of Flashpoint. This episode was a little on the shorter side compared to the other episodes in the series. These two games were just shorter than I anticipated. Anyway, thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all in the next episode, where we are going to be playing the trilogy known as Alice is Dead. See you there. Bye-bye.